Hey, didn't see you there. So you want to have a cheat meal? Huh?
Stop it!
You decided today was a good day for a cheat meal? We'll show you how to make a cheat meal then.
What's going on, guys? Journey Fitness here. What's up? So we're making enchiladas, homemade enchiladas today. Cheat meal. Healthy cheat meal. It's not that bad. Whenever you're, on your cheat day, it's a good way to do it. So let's get started. We're taking out the seeds out of this chile guajillo to make the sauce. Everybody has their own way to make enchiladas. This is my way. We're gonna put it in there. We're gonna boil it for about 2 minutes or so. We'll check back in when we start doing the reduction of the sauce.
What do you have the stove set to? Is that like medium?
Yeah, medium heat.
Medium heat.
We set it a little bit higher just because here it's a lower side. So the higher it is, the actually better it is. But yeah, taking out the seed. All boiled out. What we're gonna do is throw it in the blender. Alright, y'all, so what I'm doing here is that I am draining out the chile guajillo. The reason that I'm draining it out is because you don't need all that excess water to make the sauce, you just need a little bit of it. So this is where the magic really happens. So this is how we're making that sauce. One set. So here's the sauce, it's blending. I'm about to throw in my secret ingredient. So what I'm doing in this next segment is that I'm just tasting it to make sure it tastes right. Alright, so now it's time to process or assemble. So the concept is that you're gonna fry the tortilla in there, bring it over here. You're gonna have a magical tray come up right here. Guys, that this is healthy. Per 2 tortillas, keep in mind 2 tortillas, it's 100 calories, 19 grams of carbs. It's pretty healthy. The sauce itself is probably another 100 grams. Then you throw in a 1/4 cup of cheese, 80 calories. So you add that all up, it's about 280 calories to 300 calories per 2 tortillas. Talk about health. So you're gonna fry the tortilla, dip it in the sauce. Bring it over here. Put some cheese on it. This is great for whenever you bring your family over, friends over, all that good stuff. Bam, there's your enchilada. Alright, would you look at that? Look at that. Ooh, look at that gooey goodness. And they're ready. Alright, so we did a taste test, but they were just...
Yeah, no, they were so good, so we ate them already. And you don't get to see that part just because they were that good.
You gotta make them yourself to try them.
Got them.
With that being said, y'all catch us next week on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want us to do more cooking videos, let us know. We'll definitely do them. Catch you guys next time.